Hi guys, I wanted to go over how to solve a two-step inequality just before you try practicing it on your own, just so we can review it a little bit because it's been a little while since we've done inequalities. We did them right before we left, but it's just always good to refresh. So you have a practice sheet for yourself to complete for the third lesson of this week, lesson 9, and it starts off with this inequality of 2x or 2 times x plus 3 is greater than 10, okay? The problem that we had was you guys would see like an inequality symbol instead of an equal sign and just completely forget what you're supposed to do. It's just like solving a two-step equation. It's the exact same process, going through with your inverses and doing things in the right order. The first thing I want to do is I want to draw a line through my inequality sign, right? So I can keep things organized. I know I have two sides. I want to keep them split so that I know what to do on each side. I want to get rid of my lonely number first, right? Just like with an equation, I have a lonely number here, right? That's what makes it a two-step inequality. So I want to get rid of the plus 3. How do I get rid of plus 3? The inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. So I'm going to do that on both sides, just like an equation, I promise. Minus 3, minus 3. So I show that on both sides of my line, okay? Now when I do that, I have a plus 3 and a minus 3, right? Those cancel out. That's how we get rid of it. Over here, though, when I do 10 minus 3, I end up with 7. So I'm going to rewrite my inequality with what I now have. Okay? I got rid of my 3's, but I still have the 2x, so I rewrote 2x. I have my inequality symbol still. Don't change it to an equal sign. Don't flip it. Just literally copy over what it is. And now over here, I have 7 because I took 3 away from 10. I still have to figure this part out, right? I still have 2x is greater than 7. It's 2 times x. We have to do an inverse to try and get x by itself. How do I get rid of 2 times x? I have to divide by 2, right? When I do 2 divided by 2, that cancels out now. And I have to do it on the other side as well, right? I'm going to have to do 7 divided by 2. When I do 2x divided by 2, x ends up by itself. I keep my greater than symbol. And then 7 divided by 2 is going to end up being 3.5 or 3.5 or 3 5/10. So you're left with the answer of x is greater than 3 5/10, 3.5. It's up to you. 7 over 2, that's fine too because that's 7 halves. Same thing as 3 and 1/2. If you're graphing this out, you want to make sure you're really precise with how you put it because it has a part. You can't just put it over the 3. It has to be 3.5 or 3 5/10. But that's exactly how you do it. Just like how we were doing with equations, draw your line, undo it in the right order, and you'll end up with an inequality that only has one number and one variable.